Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to create mockups in Canva step by step. Whether you're a designer, business owner, or content creator, mockups are a fantastic way to present your products or ideas in a realistic and professional way. And the best part is, you can do it all right inside Canva without needing complex software. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer or device. You can start a new project or open an existing design where you'd like to add your mockup. Once you're in the editor, look to the left-hand panel and click on Uploads. This is where you'll bring in the images you want to use. Maybe it's your logo, a product photo, or even a screenshot of your design. Simply drag and drop the image from your computer into Canva, and it'll appear in your Uploads library. Next, click on your uploaded image to bring it onto your canvas. You can resize or reposition it by dragging the corners until it fits exactly how you want. Once the image is placed, head up to the Edit Image button at the top. Here, Canva gives you several enhancement options. You can crop, adjust brightness, add filters, or tweak the tone of your image to make it blend perfectly with your mockup style. Now comes the exciting part, adding your mockup template. On the left side again, click on Elements, and in the search bar, type Mockups. This will open a wide selection of pre-designed mockup templates Canva has ready for you. Everything from tech devices and books to t-shirts, mugs, and packaging. For this tutorial, let's choose an apparel mockup. Click on one of the templates you like, and it'll instantly appear on your canvas. You can now insert your design into the template. For most mockups, you simply drag your uploaded image over the placeholder area, and Canva will automatically fit it into the mockup frame, making it look like it's printed or displayed in real life. Take some time to fine-tune your presentation. You can resize, rotate, or adjust the positioning of both your mockup and your image until everything looks just right. If you want to make your mockup even more eye-catching, try adding text, backgrounds, or shadows using Canva's built-in tools. These subtle touches can make your final result look more polished and professional. Once you're satisfied with the design, give it a final preview. Check alignment, spacing, and lighting to make sure everything feels cohesive. When you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and download your mockup in high quality, perfect for sharing on social media, your website, or with clients. And that's it. You've just created a stunning professional mockup in Canva, no Photoshop required. This simple process helps you showcase your ideas beautifully and add a professional edge to your brand visuals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Canva design tips. Until next time, happy designing.